How to transfer money from PayPal to Wise. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily transfer money from your PayPal account to Wise account. Without any further delay, let us just get right into the video. First off, you need to go ahead and open up your web browser, go to paypal.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you can find many options from here. All you have to do here is basically connect your Wise's bank account. So just go ahead and click on pay and get paid all over here. Just hover your mouse over that. And from the pop-up under wallet, tap on money. Then from there, you want to go ahead and connect a bank account. So it needs to be on the same currency. So whatever currency you're using on PayPal, the new bank account should be using the same currency that's connected to your Wise. Let's just go ahead and click on this link in new bank account. And from there, you want to basically go ahead and get a account sort code and account number. You can get that from your Wise. So head over to Wise, and from your Wise, all you have to do is go ahead and click on any one of your currency that's available here. So for example, British pound, tap on it, and then you can find the receive button on the right hand side of your screen. From there, you can select your account details. So go ahead and click on it, and you can copy all of the necessary details from here and paste it on your PayPal. Once you've pasted it, tap on agree and link, and you need to get a confirmation code by making a small deposit. So go ahead and tap on OK and make a small deposit on PayPal from Wise. So after making the deposit, you'll get this PayPal code over here on your transactions. Copy the code from here, go back to PayPal tab and paste it there. Once you've done that, your bank should be pending here. So the confirmation is pending. So click on it and paste the code. Tap on confirm. And then finally, once your account is connected, you want to go over to PayPal and tap on transfer money. From here, you can easily go ahead and select the Wise bank that you've just connected and select the amount you want to send from here. Once everything looks good, you just click on transfer now and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.